Continental Portugal is located on the southwestern tip of the Iberian Peninsula and is the westernmost country in Europe, bordered to the north and east by Spain and to the west and south by the Atlantic Ocean. The capital is Lisbon, and the country is known for its great achievements in the 15th and 16th centuries, namely leading the Age of Discovery. Portugal's geographic and cultural positioning has made the country a gateway to the American and South American continent for the European Union, which it joined in 1986, adopting the euro when this new currency was launched on January 1, 1999. IBERICA Metal Components Industry SA was established in 1964 in Águeda, a primarily industrial city in northern Portugal, where a cluster in the two-wheel automotive sector was created in the 1960s. This was also the scenario in which the company began to work in the automotive sector and specialize in technologies applied to metal parts like aluminum and steel. Currently, the company has 87 employees, several of whom have been with the firm for 25 to 50 years, which demonstrates the team spirit we have built here. The company manufactured Sirla bicycles for some decades, closing this production in 2011. At present, the principal technologies are aluminum forging through various mechanical forging presses for aluminum up to 1,000 tons. This technology was incorporated by the company in 2002 and results from a joint development with the University of Engineering of Porto and the Institute of Science and Innovation in Mechanical and Industrial Engineering. And this has been one of the firm's core technologies ever since. The equipment is prepared to produce parts up to 1,500 grams. Turning high-precision machining by working with single and multi-spindle CNC turning centers, as well as multi-pallet machining centers working with aluminum and steel. Anodizing and zinc plating being equipped with zinc plating and anodizing lines, processes that were automated in 2009. Many projects for the auto component industry received this treatment. The company has maintained certification by ISO 9001 since 1999, ISO TS Automotive since 2011, and IATF 16949 since 2016. In 2023, IBERICA initiated the process to implement the Kaizen methodology through Kaizen Institute Portugal. It is also a founding partner of ABIMOTA, National Association of Two-Wheel Industries, the entity that carries out the European Union type approval for bicycles, e-bikes, and cargo e-bikes. By obtaining ISO TS certification in 2011, the company opened up to major two-wheel automotive clients and has since been a Tier 1 supplier to highly prestigious brands with an extensive global presence. After being a family company with Portuguese capital for several decades, in 2014, IBERICA Industry SA opened its share capital to an institutional shareholder, also Portuguese, enabling the company to capitalize and prepare for new opportunities. Concerning automotive parts production, currently, IBERICA complements its provision of the two-wheel automotive sector with projects related to electric mobility, signing the first contracts to supply hybrid and full electric vehicles in 2017. The substitution of steel components for aluminum components in the sector was decisive to create this opportunity. The company's ability to work with clients in the development of manufacturing processes for new subsystems was a long journey, with annual quantities adapted to the size of the company at the time, and which enabled us to gradually prepare for the production ramp-up. Currently, the production of metal parts for electric and hybrid vehicles carries the same weight as the production of parts for the two-wheel automotive sector, and the annual production volumes are expected to keep increasing, based on contracts with maturities between 2028 and 2035. Auto brands perform a quality audit on our industrial facilities every year as we strive to find continuous improvements for the auto parts production process. As far as LEV urban mobility is concerned, After closing down its bicycle production in 2011, IBERICA decided to relaunch this activity in 2016, manufacturing e-bike systems for bike-sharing operations for municipalities, universities, and also company fleets. Some examples of this are the system that combines conventional bicycles with e-bikes in Cascais, a city in the Lisbon region, which was launched in June 2016, and also in Matosinhos, a city in the Porto metropolitan area. Both municipalities belong to the two largest urban regions in Portugal, respectively Lisbon and Porto. Our e-bikes have also been operating at the University of Porto since 2018 and in operation subsidized by the European Fund POSER, within the scope of the ongoing strategic decarbonization process. In this operation, the one student, one e-bike, one semester relationship promoted the replacement of individual or collective combustion vehicles used to commute between the home and university with e-bikes. We are also an active member of Portugal Bike Value, which brings together the leading national bicycle and e-bike manufacturers, whether it's our own brand or OEM, currently making Portugal the largest member of the European Union to produce these types of vehicles.
Committed to quality.
Committed to you.
Thank you very much.
Merci.
Committed to quality.
Committed to you.
Merci beaucoup.
Arigato. Committed to quality.
Committed to you.
Merci.
Arigato.
Gracias.
Thank you very much.
Muito obrigado.
Thank you very much.
Dankeschön.
Muito obrigado.
Muito obrigado.